everybody, what's up? It's Sky here. If you're new to the channel, I make graphic design and lifestyle content. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a mood board in Adobe Illustrator. A mood board is a great way to explore new design concepts and communicate the visual tone and direction for your project. Personally, I'm a visual learner, so being able to see a picture or an image really helps me understand the direction that I want to go with a project. When I started my graphic design journey, I started to watch graphic design YouTubers. I wanted to know how they kept themselves organized. Most of them started out with mood boards, so I thought, hey, why not show you guys how to actually create your own mood board? It's quick and easy, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I have my one artboard with my 9 rectangles or squares, and to make a square you just go over to the toolbar and you click on the rectangle tool and you can hold shift and it'll make it a perfectly 4-sided square. Now you don't have to use squares like I did. You can use circles, you can use stars, you can use any type of shape that you want to create your mood board. It is really up to you. Basically here I have my 9 squares and the objective is to get that image into the square. So the first thing that you want to do actually is to find the pictures that you want to use to create your mood board. The types of images that you want to find are basically what you're going to want your brand to be and what you kind of want the direction of your brand to go in. Here on the left I have 9 photos, and these are just random photos that I took out of a folder that I had. And simply to get these images into Adobe Illustrator, you just go up to File, Place, and it will take you to your folder, or you might have to search for your folder, and you click on the image and you place it. And then obviously this image is really large, so you're gonna have to scale it down. Okay, so moving on, you have your images in Adobe Illustrator and you have your squares ready to go. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna grab your image and you're gonna place it in the front of the box or square or whatever shape you like. And then we are going to click Object, Arrange, and we're going to send it to the back. So now what you want to do is you want to grab that square that is covering your image. So you're going to hit Shift Control and you're going to click on the square. So that's going to highlight your image and your shape. You're going to right click and hit Make Clipping Masks, and that is how you make a mood board. So I'm just going to show you one more time with a different image. We are going to take our image of these little wine glasses and we are going to go to Object, Arrange, and send to back. Our Shift Control, click on our square, and we're going to make a clipping mask. It's really simple. All you really need to know is how to create a shape with the shape building tool in Adobe Illustrator and placing your images, getting all your images together. It really helps you with the direction that you want to go with the project. This is something that has been super useful for me throughout my design process, and it just helps me really get a clear direction of where I want to go with the project. And I hope that you guys can use this technique as well and see that it really makes it visually pleasing for you to understand what direction you want to go in. If you guys thought that this video was helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment below letting me know if you guys use mood boards also to help you with your creative direction. And feel free to subscribe to the channel for new content to come. I'll see you guys in the next video.